everyone, today we are at 32nd Avenue and we, Masters Union students, are running real D2C dropshipping course.
The highest over here, and we are almost sold out. We only have 10 to 12 products left. We had brought 75 products.
I'm your host and host Shrishti Rastogi.
Guys, we are going to do something really crazy now.
This is Dropshipping Mela 2025. Let me give you a tour. This is Terra Store. Would you like to tell something about your store?
Yeah, it's all for soulful jewelry. This is our jewelry pieces. This is our press-on nails, and this is a famous Labubu doll.
Our store name is Ethereal Casa.
Ethereal Casa. What are you selling?
We are selling custom-made t-shirts.
Okay.
You can choose your own t-shirt and choose your own design. We'll print for you, or you can experience the printing for yourself. We also have luxury packs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What all brands do you have?
We have Michael Kors and Chick-fil-A.
Oh, nice. So let's go to our next stall, which is Clay Aura. Let's see how is the aura here. Hi Jatin, this is Shrishti.
Hi Shrishti.
What are you selling today?
So we are selling ceramic made products directly sourced from Khurja, the ceramic capital of India. We have ceramic products, these airtight containers. We have these cute little mugs. We have these planters. You can see this. We have this bowls. We have these vases.
Okay.
And we are running flat 20% discount.
Okay.
And this is Clay Aura for you.
Let's go and talk to Sibbe, guys. My teacher just said learn by doing. What's up? What are you selling? How are you doing?
We are selling the tumblers and the coffee mugs that you are having. We have a wide range of the products and different colors. And whichever suits you, you can buy it. We'll give it to you at your price.
Wow, that's crazy. They are actually giving tumblers at my price. Or at the customer. Is this deal just for me or for everyone?
It's not only for you, it's for the customers as well. But for you, as you are the member of MU, so we can give you a special discount as well on that.
Guys, it's time for the best stall of the day and my favorite. I think it's very well set up. So let's go to GearX. Hi guys. Hi GearX team. So what are you guys selling?
We're selling all sorts of phone cases, covers, a bit of accessories as well.
How did you come up with this idea?
So basically, we just saw a few ads of these cases running out and we did a little bit of market survey. And this was one of the best selling items on a dropshipping business. So we thought that maybe we should go ahead with this, and none of our batchmates were doing it.
So let's do a fun segment of rapid fire here. Masters Union.
Right.
Creative.
MBA.
Clay Aura.
Masters Union, go to school, superb.
The best place.
Dropshipping.
Collection.
Drop shipping again, ceramic made products.
Oh, hectic.
Money.
Prints.
Custom prints.
Bottles.
Zipper.
Terra Store.
Jewelry.
Casa Store.
Elegant elegance. Yeah, correct.
Giggles and Games.
Fun.
All Star Threads.
Also,
Clothes shop.
Sibbe.
skill development.
GearX.
Experience.
Boys.
Done.
Tumblers.
Ship
Yeah, that's
Okay.
That's good.
Juice.
Whole.
Indian Artisan.
Indian artisans, I would say Khurja, that is pottery capital of India.
Shopping.
Loving.
How's the Josh?
Hi, sir.
So some of MU faculty is here. Let's go to them and let's hear their thoughts as well.
I think this is an amazing platform for everybody, at least for someone who's trying to learn business.
Yes.
And I think no better experience than selling it yourself.
That is true.
Yes, you get the first-hand experience reaching out to customers, you get their direct feedback. Of course, the tough environment.
Yes.
I think it's very exciting for me to be here, and all of you are doing lovely stuff, selling a lot. I think the excitement is going to go much higher once it's a little bit of evening time and more crowd comes in.
And that was one pretentious shot. I'm Shrishti Rastogi reporting live from Dropshipping Mela 2025, Masters Union. The weather is soaring high, but the energy is not lagging anywhere. We are as pumped as a soldier. We started setting up our stalls at like 9 a.m. today, and what is the weather right now? Let me check. 39 degrees Celsius. And we just got the fans now. Since morning we didn't have any fans, but we were selling our stuff, and all the teams are very much pumped up, and we really appreciate that in this soaring high weather also, we still were able to sell to some of the customers, and we are anticipating more customers as the evening approaches and the weather goes down. And this is actually a good experience, because honestly I have never sold a product this directly to anyone. I am a consultant by profession, and it's like I never did this D2C selling, but it is such a good experience because you learn so much. Okay guys, so now finally the heat has started settling up. Evening is here and people have started turning up. As you can see, each of these stalls have some or the other customers with them. And the best thing about 32nd Avenue, the lights have turned up. So the pop-ups are on. People have started turning up in numbers, and we are more than pumped to sell our accessories.
Guys, we are going to do something really crazy now, and let's get started.
Sale, sale, sale! All our products are on 50% now. Get yours right now, right away. Just come to Garrix right away.
Right away!
How is it different from a normal speaker?
Because it's not just a speaker, it's an astronaut that brings it shine. It is a light also. It has light also. And it's aesthetic. So something cute that you can keep it in your bedroom, and you don't want to switch on a light.
You can buy these iPhone cases as well.
Already. Our cart is in full motion. Just look at it. It's so pretty. It's all lit up. And from morning till now, we have made around 7 crore. 21 दिन में पैसा डबल ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. We have made around 18K. But मैं ये अपनी सेल के बताऊँ. Let's ask सारी टीम्स की सेल क्या हुई है. एक एक करके पूछते हैं जो बता देगा, ठीक है? Hi Sibbe. The vibe is lit here. How much sales have you made till now?
The highest over here, and we are almost sold out. We only have 10 to 12 products left. We had brought 75 products.
What is the sales?
It has crossed 60,000 for now.
हमने तो 7 करोड़ बनाया. हाईएस्ट ये कैसे हैं? Let's see. Okay, all the best. Hi Ethereal Casa team.
Hi.
How much sales did you do till now?
Almost 32,000 for today.
32,000. Crazy. We are at Clear Aura, and they seem busy. They are still making sales like all the other teams. Hi Jatin.
Hi Shashni.
Hi guys. How much sales did you do till now?
So do we have to disclose the number? So it's more of 20 plus.
20 plus?
Yeah.
All teams have made more than this, just about.
Okay, it's just the big.
No, I'm kidding. No one has done this much till now. I'm kidding. But thank you for telling me. All the best, team.
Literally get to buy.
Sale. All our products are on 50% now. Get yours.
I've never done anything more embarrassing ever in my life so willingly.
B2B order with some
B2B
customizations. ठीक है?
Sure.
Send me an email. Send me an email. Pratham@Masters Union. ठीक है?
We are Garrix. We will be sending you email. Please do look out for it. Guys, Pratham has bought stock of around 6K, and he has asked us to email him because he'll get us a B2B order for our stock. I said that we are Garrix, just remember. And yes, let's see what happens. You'll never know when you get an opportunity. I waited for Pratham there, and I just said, do check out our stock. I think we didn't get enough time with you, and he just said, do email it on me. I'll get you a B2B opportunity. What else can I look for? All right, guys, that marks the end of this dropshipping Mela. Personally, on my stall, we have sold around 100 plus SKUs, and I'm sure all these stalls collectively must have made 20 lakh plus, including this dropshipping Mela and the online sales. It was truly a great experience. Thank you very much for watching.